According to recent statistics, the state of Idaho has the 5th highest death by suicide rate in the country. Since mental health has become a growing concern of doctors and medical professionals during this pandemic, St. Luke's is offering a free community-wide webinar to discuss suicide to help community members better understand suicide. Idaho News 6 healthcare reporter Alex Grant has the details on topics of discussion.
The purpose of this webinar is for community members to learn and educate themselves about suicide so that they may be able to support a friend or loved one in a crisis situation.
We want to increase awareness of the problem of suicide. We want to make people feel more comfortable talking about it. We want to reduce the stigma. We want to reduce myths associated with it. And we want to increase people's willingness to have those conversations with other people.
From 2014 to 2018, 219 people in the Magic Valley died by suicide with the rate of 23 people per 100,000, more than double the national average. The age demographic attributing to Magic Valley suicide numbers varies.
People ages 10 to 34, which seems like a pretty young age group, it's the second leading cause of death. For people 35 to 44, which I still think is young, it's the third leading cause of death.
With the added mental strain of COVID, there is a level of worry that it may lead to these numbers increasing.
In 2019 versus 2020, there were 3 times the amount of people who had significant anxiety symptoms. It was like 8% in 2019, 25% in 2020. If we look at depressive symptoms, also significant gain, 4 times the amount of depressive symptoms.
Despite being ranked high in suicide and mental health issues, the state is ranked among the lowest of behavioral health service providers to help. Organizers hope this event will help equip people to provide some support.
People who are talking about suicide are talking about it because they have concern. Even if someone's just sort of talking about it maybe a little bit lightheartedly, if they're talking about it, then to some degree there's something that's bothering them, and it's kind of an opening to say, please talk to me.
The webinar happens on September 24th at 5:30 p.m. for 1 hour. In Twin Falls, I'm Alex Grant, Idaho News 6.
You can find more information at idahonews6.com. If you or someone you know is in crisis, help is available. You can call that number on your screen.